It's nice, isn't it, when the sun is in the sky. Doing? Hello? How's it going? Let's go up there. I think we'll scope things out. Oh. Okay. Okay. Definitely won't be riding Steeply Woods. That'll be way too muddy. But there are some trails that are a little bit grippier, not far from here, so I think we'll go and scope things out. It's a weird transitional time, spring, because you are getting used to that. Of course you get used to it by the summer. I thought the auto was on. I've been riding it in eco. Oh my goodness. Right, let's get a picture here. I'm still in high mode, so I've got to get at this, which is quite slippery, steepish, a bit gnarly, wet roots. There's no way I'm getting up it in standard on a 70 Newton meter. That was perfect actually. Definitely can't see any work on this bit. So, but I am taking this slow because there is work ongoing. I can't hear any machinery and that, but you don't know. Like, I just don't know. Oh crikey, that's very muddy there. Like muddier than Gannel. So we're gonna have to take this steady. Oh crikey. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing in the way of grip on there. Absolutely nothing. This is really sludgy. And I got good tyres on, to be fair, and there was nothing there then. Literally the front wheel kind of just twisted. There was no grip, literally. Okay, oh yeah, this is ridiculous. Honestly, I'd rather go over to Gannel. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is how wide I came off that. There was no coming on that. It's not a built up berm or anything, so. Yeah, we got puddles. Oh my goodness. Only the puddles do seem to collect there. Oh, this is quite sketchy. I think a lot of rain has. Oh, there's just no grip. I'm going to take it steadier than I have from the start. Yeah, this is just horrible. Horrible. Ooh. Yeah, this is not good. Oh my goodness. Yeah. There's nothing in the way of grip at all. Crikey. That's crazy. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Just feels horrible. Literally. Oh, nearly went. Right, we'll get off here. Yeah. Oh, crikey. Oh. Yeah. Put the bike in standard. In fact, let's put it in eco. Oh. Right. I need to take. Oh my goodness. It's very wet. Oh. Be very careful down there, guys. Oh. I tell you what, it's almost like it's been coated in a thin layer of oil, the whole trail. It doesn't feel wet, it feels slippery, slimy. Could be that the earth, well, it's very clay-like earth here anyway, but it could be that it's at that point where it's just retained enough moisture. Oh yeah, there's no grip. I can literally, oh, that is crazy. It's like there's a film of oil on everything. I've never felt it like this. I've ridden this in so many different conditions, but it feels slimy, you know, like literally no flipping grip. And I've got good tyres on, you know, they're not XE tyres or whatever, cheapy ones, you know, they're proper enduro tyres. Oh, every compression is met with uncertainty. We'll have a look at the next trail then, isn't it? Missing out the muddy part. Oh, oh, Christ. Yeah, I mean, this is more of a paste, a sandy paste. My goodness. I do feel they're good tyres, but I might have too much air in them. I did err on the side of caution. Well, definitely overdid it on air pressure, so I always do really. Especially with wheels that haven't had air in for 7 months. So just the one on the burp. I think I would, in these conditions, on this sort of trail, I would benefit from taking some air out. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, yeah, puddles. See, this is a big indicator of how much rain we have actually had when you're looking at this exposed set. Taking it steady. Let's take things steady. I think we'll over. Crikey. My tyre hit a log or something then, or a root. And on video it just looks too bright. I'm going to do XE. Let's check this out. Crikey. I think it's good to ride on the e-bike. It's interesting. Guess you're thinking about pedaling, not just descending. One of the Oh, crikey. Oh. I think line choice is key on this one, as I just found out. The compounded effect of it having rained non-stop for practically the last 2 weeks, and now it's just, you know, it's reached that point where everything is just like a quagmire. There's very little grip. It's like the mole, blinking heck. That branch really come back at me then. That one there, it's like it's from a fallen tree. Oh, and it occurred just on this gaggle of roots here. It's not very nice. Oh, my goodness. Oh, what? We got a new trail. I'm not even joking. Oh my god. It's coming out there. It's going to be very muddy. Yeah, that's interesting. You can start up there on the right, but I'm going to come in on the main path. Okay. Ooh, ooh. That is. So I'm not going to go too fast on this because just not inviting speed. If anything, it makes me want to just ease the bike down and not go fast at all. I haven't ridden this bike for 7 months as well, so I'm still feeling, oh crikey, I went a little bit too right then. Oh, yeah, just getting used to the high-rise bars again. It's important, isn't it, to have a well-balanced bike, and yeah, it's when you're on certain trails, it just feels like maybe I'm too far back, you know. But I do know I would benefit from just a slightly more forward position for my hands. But I'm going to do men at work. Oh! Nearly lost the front wheel. Crikey. Well, that slowed me down right a lot. I can't. It's so muddy. Honestly, that is so muddy. Oh, this is. I can't believe though it's going to be raining for the rest of the week. So if this isn't even going to be the worst. Oh crikey, I can't stop. This is actually the worst conditions I've ever ridden Ganol. This is really tricky just to keep the bike upright. I think it's actually better when it's like a deluge has hit it, because at least the mud is kind of running away. But this is sticky enough and slippery enough to make the roots very, very slippery. But the mud itself is just greasy. It's horrible. Oh yeah, you can't stop. Oh crikey. I mean, it's a workout for your quads and your abs and any other flipping muscle. that you can feel burning at trying to stop. Like here, just trying to keep my body moving around. Oh, my goodness. Oh, crikey. Oh, I'm going wide there. I'm going to stay out of that rut. I tell you what, if he was trying to ride this fast, like, nah, 2 feet out. 2 feet out there. I could sense the bike was going. Yeah, I'm going to get off this. Oh, crikey. Right, we're going to ride. Oh, this isn't any better. This isn't any better. Oh, massive owl or something there. Flying off. I've interrupted it. Oh, my goodness. I think also, if access to the top of Fforest Fawr is going to be an issue, I think a lot more riders are going to ride these trails over here in Ganol. Just wondering if that's a good or a bad thing. I mean, it'll give time, but then again, I think it's only thread the needle that can't be ridden. I don't know. I think the whole area is shut, really. So I'm not going to be making a visit to Fforest Fawr now. I've had a scope and I don't like it, so yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, too muddy. Too muddy. Yeah. I'm gonna be for the midweek rides. I'm just gonna be riding Tinnacoid, Gedris. If it dries up, I'll ride over here at Ganol. Fforest Fawr, I'll just wait now until the work is done. Can't be arsed, really. Right. Oh my goodness, did I ride to this earlier? A bit silly, isn't it? Right. Oh my goodness. Whew. Crikey. So I've got jacket potato and chicken curry when I get in. That sounds great. So yeah, that's full power on the lights. I'm going to take the helmet down to the lowest, and I'm going to put this handlebar on the lowest.